Let's say we are holding a particle at rest, and then at t naught equals 0, the particle started its motion exactly as we started our stopwatch. Assuming constant acceleration, the equations can be used without mentioning t naught at all, since it's already equal to 0. Let's say after some time, another particle started its motion, and you want to compare what's happening between those two particles. In this case, t naught of this particle is not 0 anymore. Why? Because the stopwatch has already started here. And for this reason, we can't use those equations anymore, and we have to consider the time when this particle started, which is t naught, which is not equal to 0. Another point to pay attention to is when the acceleration given in the problem is not constant, and it changes by changing some other variable, like t, for example, s, or v. In this situation, you can't use those three equations anymore. Why? Because they are valid only for constant acceleration problems.